Hello, everyone, and welcome back. I am Garth Robertson with Remax Prime Properties, and today we have a 4-bedroom, 3 full bath at 350 Scrub J Way in Davenport, Florida. This property is located in Sandy Ridge. It's about 1655 square foot, but trust me, these rooms are perfectly sized. As you see, this is the living room, nice and cozy, and listen, this might be the property for you. So stay tuned. I'm going to show you guys some more. If you have any questions, put in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will be back with you guys shortly. Oh, one thing I forgot to mention. This property has a heated pool / jacuzzi. So do not hit that next button until you see this beautiful property.
This is the right time. I know it. You wanna have fun.
Hello everyone, Open House Monday.
Today's the day I call Talk to Me Tuesdays.
Move-in Mondays. Before I go, don't forget to like and subscribe.
said, I'm Garth Robertson with Remax Prime Properties. If you want, you can reach me at 407-922-2711 or my email, garthrobertson.realtor @gmail.com. I'll have all the information below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you guys on the next one.